It's a really enjoyable industry to be in. It's constantly changing. We also educate ourselves, and we have ongoing PD to keep current and to keep up to date with industry that we can then take back into the classrooms. We're absolutely thrilled with our new facilities. We do have like the latest of the equipment, for more specialised treatments. So yeah, it's great. It's a great facility. So the live clinics we have clients coming in who are paying, so they're booking in so that when they finish, they are ready to go into industry and work on clients in a salon situation. So they do manicures, pedicures, they do spa treatments like little facials and things, all the waxing and tinting. But just seeing, for example, a student coming from a Cert 2 in retail, so like a vet student who's come 1 day a week from school, and then seeing them progress into a Cert 3 and then going on to the Cert 4 and progressing into Diploma, and then, coming out with a Diploma certificate and going into industry, into a job that they love. Seeing their progression throughout the course so that when it comes to the end of their course, they are confident and they're excited about going into the beauty industry. I love that aspect of lecturing, yeah.